Boom, 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 boom. Oh, man, it's hot. Oh, I just came in from cutting the grass and using that weed eater. Man, I told myself, it's time to make a lawnmower video. Oh, it's hot. Replacing engine oil in a 4-stroke engine. Here's what you'll need: a socket wrench with an extension, something to catch the oil, rags or paper towels, and 30 weight oil. First, prop up the mower in a safe manner. You can place it under something or use a jack stand. Remember to disconnect the ignition coil wire so that the engine doesn't start while you're under there. You may need to scrape away some old grass and dirt to find the drain plug underneath. A clean one looks like this. Now we can remove the drain plug with the square tip of the socket wrench extension. Once it gets loose, you can remove it by hand. Be careful not to drop it into your oil pan. Let all of the oil drain out. As you can see, this oil is pretty black. You may need to lower the engine to let all of the oil drain. And when it's all out, you can replace the drain plug. No need to put it super tight. There we go, drain plug is replaced. Now we close off the used oil. Now on a riding mower, it's a little different. There's usually this drain spout. You can remove the plastic cap, twist the sleeve, and pull it out. Or sometimes you have to use a wrench and unscrew that sleeve until the oil begins to drain. And some engines have an oil filter. Replace that as well if it has one. When your oil pan gets full, you can bring it to your nearest collection facility. Now would be a good time to snap the spark plug wire back on. Add fresh engine oil. 10W30 generally works. It will take almost an entire quart for a push mower, a little more than that for a larger engine. Now we need to check the oil. Wipe off the dipstick, replace it, and then check the oil level. It should be within the hash marks, and we are. So we have added the correct amount. You did it. You just gave your engine a blood transfusion.
Hey, we want you to be safe. So follow the rules. You know, like don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, protect your eyes when using outdoor power equipment. You know, the basics.
Hey, check out our other videos. ServiceSpecialties.com. Thanks for watching.